Welcome to Art and Animation Tutor. In this tutorial we are going to learn about layers. Let's open Photoshop. You can see the background layer. As soon as we try to move the layer, it shows the dialog box saying the layer is locked and need to convert it to normal layer. Which means we cannot move or edit the layer unless and until we convert it into normal layer. Click on Convert to Normal Layer, or you can double click on Background Layer and convert it into normal layer. We can rename the layers. Let's add a picture. Open a file. Drag the file to document. Adjust the image by transform controls. You can see the picture on new layer. Now we are going to add one more layer. For that, use shortcut key Ctrl plus Shift plus N. Or click on this plus icon. Here is a new layer. Now we are going to add text. Select Text Form toolbar or press T for shortcut key. Type text and change the color and font from the Properties panel as shown in video. We can move the text using Move tool. Double-click outside of the workspace to apply the changes. Let's add more elements. Add one more layer above text layer. Select Ellipse shape from toolbar. Draw as shown in the video. Color the ellipse by selecting Paint Bucket tool. We will learn more about color palettes in coming tutorials. To fill the color, press Alt plus Backspace. Now you can see the text is not visible because we have placed this layer above text layer. Drag this layer below the text layer. Now the text is visible. Make changes to text layer. As you select any layer, you can see the layer's properties here. Opacity. It helps to adjust transparency levels of particular layer. Fill. It helps to increase or decrease color intensity. We will learn more about these properties in future tutorials. Let's add one more image. Now you can see all active properties for this layers. First one is Lock Transparent Pixels. That means the transparent part of the image is not editable. You can see here for this image. The brush is unable to paint the transparent pixel area of layer. Another one is Lock Image Pixel. It means you cannot edit, but you can move the object. The third one is Lock Position. That means you can edit the object but cannot move the position. It helps to avoid any changes in alignment. Another one is related to Artboard. We will learn about this in coming tutorials. And the last one is Lock All, means you cannot move or edit the object. So this was all about the basic information about layers. Hope you found this tutorial video helpful. Don't forget to comment what you want to learn next. We will make a tutorial for you. Thanks for watching. If you like our tutorial, do like, share and comment. Don't forget to subscribe and click on bell icon to get notification on new tutorial upload.